Good morning, students. Today let us learn logarithms. Yesterday I recall exponentials. So based on the exponential, if you have idea about the exponential, you can get the logarithms easily. Okay. So before going to define and understand the logarithms concept, let us see some examples here. So see here logarithms. So 2 power x equal to 4. What is the suitable value of x? Okay, so 2 power x equal to 4. What is the suitable value of x? Find x. To find x, for example, if I write in the place of x 2 power 1, 2. If you write x equal to 2 power x, I am writing x equal to 1. I write x equal to 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 2 square. 2 into 2, 4. So that means here this 4 can be written as 2 square. Here see, these two terms, bases are equal. So what is the powers? X equal to 2. Okay. Now see here, 3 power y. 3 power y equal to 81. Now left side base is 3. Right side 81. Write 81 as the power of 3. Okay na? So 81 can be written as 3 power 4. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 3 is 81. Now compare. By comparing, these two terms are equal means bases are equal, powers are equal. Y equal to 4. Now here 10 power z equal to, what is this? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh can be written as how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be written as 10 multiples 5 times. 10 into 10 into 10, 5 times. So this can be written as 10 power 5. Now compare these two. So what is z value? Z equal to 5. So like this, when with this type of problems we are finding. Now let us see here some other problems. See, can you find the value of x for the following? See here, 2 power x. 2 power x equal to 5. 3 power x equal to 7. 10 power x equal to 5. So can you find the x value? What is the suitable x value satisfies here? 2 power x equal to 5. For which value of x 2 must be raised to get 5? Can you say? So if you take x equal to 1, 2 power 1, that is 2. If you take x equal to 2, 2 power 2, 4, 2 square. If you take x equal to 3, 2 power 3. What we can get? 2 power 3 means 8. So that means here if you take x value 3, we are getting 8. But what is there here? 5. If you take x equal to, we are getting 4. So that means this x should be in between 2 and 3. Okay now? X should not less than 2 and x should not greater than less than x should be lies between 2 and 3. Okay now? So here x lies between 2 and 3. Why? Because if you take x equal to 3, we are getting 8. But what is the value? 5. So whatever the x value that lies between 2 and 3. If you take here, for example, if you take y equal to 2 power x, then x equal to 1, y equal to 2 power 1 means 2. That is the, if you write in the coordinate form, 1 comma 2. Next here 2 comma 4. Here 2 comma 3. If you denote these points on the graph, okay, let us denote these points on the graph. We can get y equal to 2 power x graph. Y equal 2 power x graph. See here. See, let us draw the graph of y equal to x. These are values. If you take x equal 0, 2 power 0, 1. If you take x equal to 1, 2 power 1, 2. If you take x equal to 2, 2 square, 4. If you take x equal to 3, 2 cube, 8. If you take x equal minus 1, 2 power minus 1, 1 by 2. If you take x equal minus 2, 2 power minus 2, 1 by 4. Reciprocals of these values. If you denote this as a coordinates, 3 comma 8, x equal to 3, 3 comma 8, 0 comma 1. Here this is the value x equal 0, y equal to 1. If you take x equal 1, y equal 2. Here this is the x equal 1, y equal 2. This is the graph. Okay now. So if you see here, where is the y value 5? What we have to get? Y equal to 2 power x. Y should be 5. See, if you draw like horizontal line, vertical, here this is the y value 5 here. If you draw the vertical line, where the this line meets here, this r is the value of x. Okay, are you getting? So this type of problems, we know that the x coordinate of the point r is the required value of x, for which 2 power x equal 5. This value of x is called logarithm of 5 to the base 2. Okay, see here, this value of x, 2 power x equal to 5. Here the value of x is called logarithm of 5 base 2. Okay, here this we can say logarithm of 5 base 2. This can be written as logarithm of 5. Base means we can write here base 2. See here in the exponential form, this is base. In the logarithm also we can say this is base. Okay, this is the concept of logarithm of 5 with base 2. So that is the value of x. X equal to, what is the value of x? X equal to log 5 base 2. For example, 5 power x. 5 power x equal to 7. How can you write in the logarithm form? So log 7 base 5 equal to x. If you write 3 power y equal to 10. So what is the y value? Log 10 base 3. So we can define a comma a not equal to 1, n are positive real numbers. Positive real numbers. If a power n equal to y, a power n equal to y, then logarithm of y with base a, n is n equal to logarithm of y base a, where a not equal to 1. Okay now, a not equal to 1, n are positive real numbers, or y sorry, a and y are positive real numbers. So if a power n equal to y, then n equal to log y base a. Okay, are you getting? So let us see some problems. Do these problems. So this is, do these problems. Write the following in logarithm form. Okay now, see here 7 equal to 2 power x. Here x can be written as log 7 base 2. Okay, here c can be written as log 1 by 81 base 3. Here whatever the base, here that becomes base. Here z equal to log 100 base 10. Here base becomes here log base. So these problems, write these logarithms in exponential form. So reverse, exponential form means this is the base, this is the exponent. So 10 power 2, 10 power 2 equal 100. Here this is base is 2, exponential is 1. 2 power 1 equal to 2. To write in the exponential form, you have to remember log n base a equal to x. Then this is the base, this is the exponent, a power x equal to n. Okay, log n base a equal to x, then a power x equal to n. A is base, x is the exponent. Here 2 power x equal to 9. So understand this concept of logarithms, and here are some try these problems. See, try these problems. So do this remaining do these problems. I explained 2 or 3, and try this and think and discuss. Does log 0 to exist? Give reasons. Prove. If think and discuss with your friends, and you must give the answers. Otherwise I will explain you. See, let us try these problems. So what is first one? Log 32 base 2 equal to x. Solve the value. Solve the following. So here, if you convert into exponential form, this is base, this is exponent. So 2 power x equal to 32. So left side base is 2. Write 32 in powers of 2. So if 2 multiplied, 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. If 2 multiplies 5 times, we can get 32. So this we can write 2 power 5. So that is, by comparing on both sides, bases are equal, powers are equal. So what is x equal to 5? Okay. Next one, log 10,000 base 10 equal to z. So this we write in the exponential form. What is the base? 10. What is the exponent? Z. 10 power z equal to 10,000. So write this 10,000. 10 power 4. So by comparing, what is z equal to 4. Okay. So we have some properties of logarithms. Let us learn properties of logarithms in the next class. But you have to remember the yesterday we discussed, I given laws of exponents, properties of exponents. A power x into a power y equal a power x plus y. Those type of exponents, laws of exponents you have to recall and remember. Okay, thank you children.